Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about growing roses. Roses are amazing plants that are loved by everyone, but some people are afraid of growing them because they have a reputation of being difficult to grow. But if we take the right steps, rose growing can be very enjoyable. I will discuss 5 most important things to consider while growing a rose. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So let's see what a rose plant needs. First, sunlight. Roses love sunlight, so give them minimum 6 hours of direct sunlight, especially during the blooming season. They need a lot of sun to flower well. Sunlight is also very important to prevent a lot of disease that roses tend to have, so plant them in a sunny area. Next, soil. Roses are heavy feeding plants. They need a lot of nutrition, so a good quality humus-rich soil is very essential to grow roses. The soil must be well draining. They like a well draining soil. They require good fertilizer during the flowering season. Add compost to your soil to make it rich. Apply nitrogen-based fertilizer like mustard cake fertilizer for growth, and calcium and phosphorus-based fertilizer like bone meal and horn meal to encourage flowering. If you are planting them in a container, then choose a 8 to 10 inch container so they can grow well. Watering. Roses like water, but they don't like being overwatered, so water them well when they need it. Then wait for the soil to get dry and water them again. Keep the soil moist enough. Make sure you have good drainage. Regular and proper watering is very important to have a healthy plant. Pest and disease control. Now with roses, you may have to face a lot of disease problem, and for that, you should always take precautions. Always have a fungicide powder with you. Mix it with water and spray every week. Also spray organic pesticides like neem oil weekly to keep them disease free. Make sure that there is enough air circulation around your plants to prevent fungus attacks. Pruning. Pruning is very essential to maintain roses. You should always cut the flowers with a sharp and sterile cutter as soon as they fade. Always remove any dry or diseased branches from the plant regularly. Roses bloom in new branches, so pruning them before flowering season can help you get a lot of flowers. Always make sure that the cutter you're using is clean and sharp. If you maintain all this, then you can grow roses very easily. These are the basic steps to grow a rose. So get a good and healthy rose plant from a nursery and start growing. Spring is the best time to plant them. I hope you will enjoy growing them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you next time. Bye!